Hey guys, Hayden here again from Alarm System Store, and today we're going to be going over a couple new Alarm.com products we have. One is the ADC V731B, which is a completely battery operated, completely wireless video camera. And then there's also a solar panel charger that goes with these battery operated cameras. So a couple nice things about the camera itself. It keeps almost all of the high quality Alarm.com features, and it is a 4 megapixel camera, so you're not losing any quality by going to the battery operated style. And it also has the built-in spotlight, which comes with a couple of the newer Alarm.com cameras. If you're unfamiliar with the spotlight feature, obviously it's just a light, but where it comes in really handy is at nighttime. Whenever you're doing night recording, you can have the spotlight come on, and that actually gives you color footage rather than the grayscale that you'll get with IR footage. So pretty high-tech camera for being battery operated, and from what I've read, these batteries should last quite a while. Per the manual, you should be able to get at least a couple months out of it during normal use. So that's pretty good for a camera that's going to be, has a spotlight, 4 megapixel, the whole bit. So you won't have to worry about changing batteries, constantly or recharging it all the time. It should last quite a while. And when I show the solar panel, that is a huge help as well, keeping it charged. So as for the camera itself, this is the entire camera. It comes with this base and this bracket that the base locks onto. And then you also get a charge cord for the battery. So inside the camera here, if you press this button down here on the bottom, it releases the back plate, and that is the battery for the camera. So the battery is actually fairly small, and if you need to remove the battery, right here on the bottom is a little slide bracket. You slide that down, and then you can just slide the battery out over top of it, and there you go. They will have additional batteries that they're going to come out with. They don't have them listed quite yet, but those will be on our site as soon as they're available. So you can keep a couple of these handy if you need to. That way you don't have to wait for it to charge before you put the camera back up. But these are very simple. On the battery itself, there is an LED. I'm not exactly sure where it's at on these, but all you do to charge it is you take your USB-C cable, and this orange plastic will be removed once the camera is actually in place. But right here is the charge port, so you just stick that in there, connect this to a power brick or your computer, whatever you need to, and it'll charge that battery up. And then if you are swapping them out, basically you just slide it back in there and you're good to go. So you don't actually have to remove the battery to charge it. So this hole right here, once that plastic's removed, you can just pull this down by, like I said, releasing the back plate using that button there. Take this inside, connect that up, and then let it charge. So very easy to charge these. For the back plate itself, these are very simple. It just kind of slides in and locks on, and then you can put a screw in there if you need to keep it locked in place. And then on the back here is where your base is going to connect to. So once you have the bracket in place with just a couple screws, you'll take the base, stick it on there, turn it clockwise to lock it into place, and then take the camera, stick it on the threaded in there, and then just screw it on. So pretty easy to take the whole thing down. Now the way this base is designed, as you're screwing it on, once you get the camera oriented in the correct position, then you just screw on, you just tighten this back piece here, and that will lock the camera in place. And then when you need to take it down, just unscrew that, and then you can unscrew the camera as needed. So very easy to install these. You could probably have multiple of these up within an hour if you needed to. So very handy, very quick installation, and it allows, like I said, up to a couple months of battery life. Alarm.com has a calculator on their site which kind of lets you get an idea of how much battery you're going to be using. And I was playing with it a little bit, and for average people, so like 20 to 50 clips a day, even at the highest quality, you're going to get up to about a month and a half, 2 months worth of battery life on this. So you won't have to be swapping it out all the time or pulling it down to charge it. One nice thing about these new cameras though is Alarm.com also designed that solar panel that I was telling you about. And with this solar panel, as long as you can get this thing a couple hours of solid sunlight a day, per the specs, it should be able to keep the battery charged pretty much all the time. So that'll be super handy for those that get both. Basically, you just put the camera up. This has got a very similar base style. So you mount the base, and then you just screw the solar panel on, and then plug this into the camera. So it is a USB-C connection, just like the charger. And all you do is pop this open right here, and the solar panel just plugs it right in the back there. And with this connector, these are actually waterproof once this is connected. So even though it's just a USB-C, these are rated for, I think it's IP67 is what it is. I don't always remember the number on that, but basically they are waterproof, so you don't have to worry about any weather conditions bothering this. Then once you have it connected, you basically just wrap the rest of the cord up in this little bracket that it gives you here, and then you're good to go. So on Alarm.com site, they don't list the proper solar panel specs for those solar nerds out there. So I can't give you all that info. But from what they do say, like I said, as long as you can get this thing 1 hour of direct sunlight and at least 2 to 3 hours of indirect light, it will be able to keep that battery pretty much topped off. So adding this solar panel is just a small added cost to basically save yourself a load of time charging or swapping batteries down the line. So very handy that they made this for those cameras. So for those unfamiliar with solar panels just kind of in general, but you would like to use these cameras and the solar panel charger with it, the most important thing to keep in mind is that in the northern hemisphere, you want your solar panel facing south. You want it facing the equator, basically, because that's where the sun crosses the earth. So that way it is going to suck up the most amount of sun and provide the most amount of charge to your battery. So basically, once you get your cameras installed, it's not always going to be possible to point these south and not have some obstructions in the way, and that is why they gave the 10-foot cord for these. So 10 foot might not be enough, even in some cases, so you might have to suck up charge on the camera, but hopefully you can find a position where there's no foliage covering this, or it's not behind any walls or anything while the sun is overhead. But basically, like I said, you point this south, and then you can angle it whichever direction you need to get the most optimal coverage of sun. But these cameras and solar panel chargers come with a lot of use cases, especially for those that don't or can't run wire. Very cool that Alarm.com came out with this. It's been a long time coming. Alarm.com cameras are great. A lot of people want them, but they don't want to have to run wire or go through the trouble of routing Ethernet cable or whatever the case might be. So coming out with a battery operated camera and its own solar panel charger is a game changer for a lot of people, because all you need now is a Wi-Fi connection to allow the camera to connect to the internet, and you can just stick this up literally wherever you want. Alarm.com does also have a new cellular device which works with cameras, so we'll be going over that here shortly. But for kind of remote or out of the way locations where you don't have internet, that will actually allow you to pretty much put Alarm.com cameras wherever you want, so keep an eye out for that. But anyway, like I said, this is the V731 Bravo from Alarm.com. We do have these on our site, alarmsystemstore.com, so if you're interested at all, go check them out. You can see the full specs there. Like I said, it's a high quality camera, just like any other Alarm.com camera, and these solar panels make it a viable option pretty much anywhere that you could want a Alarm.com camera. So that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you guys found that informative. And like I said, if you're interested in Alarm.com cameras, or especially these two new products, check out our website, alarmsystemstore.com. I'll have the links down in the description below, so head over there. We have both for sale, and like I said, we'll have the extra batteries for these for sale as soon as they are available. But anyway, that's enough for me, so I will catch you guys on the next one.